Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a DE350Z and I'm going to teach you how to remove your center console and your ashtray. That's really simple, but you got to remove that in order to remove your center console. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. Alright, so we're going to get started into the whole interior breakdown of this car. First things we're going to do first is get the center bezel off, or the shift bezel off. So start with going counterclockwise or loosening your shift knob off. Shift knob twists off easy. And then when you get to this section, make sure that the shifter is either in second, fourth, or sixth or reverse, because it helps having the shifter be that way. So you're gonna put your hands in right here and you're gonna lift up. There's two tabs right here, and you're gonna this kind of locks in like that, so you're gonna pull it back and then tilt it up that way. And then don't pull too hard, because there's the AC ribbon right here. You'll see it when I take it off. That's really important, and it's also really fragile. If you break that, then you'll have to buy a new one of these AC boxes. So there you go. Your shift bezel is off, and then it is 5 Phillips head screws. We got 2 right here. So there's 1, there's 2, and then in the ashtray or coin holder, whatever you want to call it, there's another 3rd one right here. And then the other 2 are actually between the seats. So we're going to have to scoot the seats forward. Okay, so there's one there, and there's one on the other side. That one's out. We'll go to the passenger side. Scoot that seat forward. And sometimes there's little covers on here. A lot of the times they're not here, just because the car is 20 years old. So yeah, undo that screw. And that is all the screws you'll need to remove. Alright, so that's good. We're going to scoot this back now and then sit back in the car. Alright, so then I kind of try to sit not in the seat, but halfway on the seat. We'll lift the back of this up first, like that. And the reason you lift the back up first and then pull your e-brake up is because you have to slide this out of the kick panel plates, whatever you want to call those. So slide that back, and then we're going to lift this up over the e-brake, and then we'll just rotate that upside down, because there's a plug right there that we have to undo. And if your model has seat warmers, those are going to be plugged in right here. So that's how you unplug that. And that right there is how you remove a center console on a 350Z.